We wanted to take this opportunity to share some additional information with all of you regarding COVID-19 and the potential impacts to our domestic pet species. Additionally, the CDC has come out with some new guidelines and recommendations around doing things to prevent the potential of you and/or your animal being exposed. As you may be aware, there have also been a few positive cases in domestic pet species already confirmed here in the United States. The first known positive case associated with a large cat at a zoo in New York City was followed with at least 2 known positive cases in domestic cats, and most recently, unfortunately, a case in North Carolina affecting a dog that was living in a household with positive human cases. To date, there have been no known additional positive cases in other domestic small animal species. There is also no information that shows that pets have a vital role in the transmission of the virus, and secondly, it does not appear that the overall risk to pet populations is high. That being said, we have a lot of information to continue to gather, and there unfortunately does appear to be some correlation to the potential that positive humans can infect their pets with the disease. The CDC has recently provided some updated guidelines regarding the potential risks to your pets associated with COVID-19. These guidelines are specifically to protect not only you, but also to protect your pets. We're going to give you some highlights of these guidelines, but we would also suggest that you monitor the CDC's website for additional information. So what should you do if you own a pet? First and foremost, be aware that we still have a lot to learn about this disease. So until we learn more specifically about how it affects animals, it is strongly recommended that you treat your pets no differently than you would treat other members of your household. Avoid any contact with pets or humans outside of your household. While we know we have to take our pets outside routinely for their well-being, make sure that this is supervised to avoid any potential incidental contact with other pets or human beings. And lastly, avoid any large gatherings, not only of pets, but also of people where there is the potential of direct contact. There have unfortunately been a small number of confirmed positive cases of COVID-19 transmission from humans to pets in the United States. If you have any concerns about clinical signs or behaviors that your pets are exhibiting or have additional questions, please contact your veterinarian. If you are sick with COVID-19, either because you've exhibited potential clinical signs or you have a confirmed positive test, until we know more specifically about this virus and how it affects our pets, it is strongly recommended by the CDC and other organizations that we take the same precautions that we would with the other human members of our household. Number 1, avoid any direct contact if at all possible. Ask another member of the household to provide the routine care for your pet, whether that's changing their bedding, feeding them, taking them outside to go for walks, whatever the case would be, avoid that direct contact. That also means no petting and no direct interaction. If unfortunately you are the only member of household capable of providing care for your pet, take additional precautions. Wash your hands before and after you interact with your pet. Wear a face covering at all times. If you take these additional precautions, the overall risk to your pet should be low. If you are positive for COVID-19 and your pet exhibits any clinical signs that make you worried or concerned, do not take them to your veterinarian. Contact your veterinarian, share with them the situation, and letting them know that you have significant concerns about your pet. Your veterinarian will be able to work with you either utilizing telemedicine or other tools to evaluate different diagnostics as well as different therapies or treatments that may be indicated to provide the care and well-being for your pet. In summary, we are all unfortunately very aware of just how ever-changing the environment and the information associated with COVID-19 not only is impacting humans, but also to our pets is. Do the little things that you can at home to avoid the potential risk to not only you and your pets. We will continue to provide information to you as we learn, and also stay aware of what the CDC is recommending.